Good morning, people. I'm back at Walmart. Y'all know me. I'm about to get these aisles in. I had to check, see what they got. I'm really looking for One Piece, but Pokemon is definitely always at the top of my, my list. Trying to get a deal, see if anybody hit anything. I'm getting on my search under crates and carts and trying to find the secret compartment. So y'all come with me while I do that. Yeah. First stop. A lot of magic. Lots of magic. No Pokemon. No One Piece. You're shit out of luck, buddies. They got some nice cute plushies though. You can't beat the cute plushies. The platinum plushie. Do they have what we're looking? Nope, they got Pokemon in the cut. Nothing of what we're looking for. Even championship tiger. Tiger, good job. Got the My Little Ponies. One Piece, maybe this Super Pokemon collection. Nothing. It's definitely Valentine's Day in Walmart. They got all the cute little stuff. That ain't a Pokemon. I'm looking for Pokemon. They got a big gator. That ain't cute as I thought it was. I'm on a Poke search. They got all these lovey-dovey bears. What if that was a Pikachu? Alrighty. That's how you know it's bad. When you got grown men searching and hunting shit. I think of it as a scavenger hunt. I don't feel bad. I be scavenger hunting before I do all my searching. That's hard. That's probably gonna be worth something one day. Put that on the whatnot. Yeah, I'm about to be doing whatnot too now, y'all. So if y'all looking for anything y'all want me to grab, make sure you hit the comment. Hit the comment. Ooh. Look what we have here. We got some megas in here. Do we grab a couple? Let's grab two. Look at this. This Big Boy Blastoise and a Charizard. Ooh, I'm gonna tell my wife. Yeah, I didn't know they had something here. They had it in the cut. Oh, Vaporeon. Sleepy Vaporeon. Let me find out. I didn't think we was gonna find any. It's been a good little hunt. Shout out to Walmart. Walmart got it. Now the thing is, do we get something for the kid? Kids be needing stuff too. Shout out to Mr. Beast. He stayed with something. Didn't think. Listen, when you have a good hunt, you can't be mad at a good hunt. I gotta grab two. If there's two in here, why not? We'll open those in the car and then keep the hunt alive. Successful day. Listen, that ain't my last stop for the day. Found 2 packs at Walmart. It was more, but I ain't want to take a lot. I'm not a scalper. I'm opening them. So next stop, Walgreens. We're gonna do Dollar General. I'm going to as many spots as I can today. I'm making sure that these people online are lying. I want to see if the cards are in the spots, in the streets. They said they can't find them in the streets. So I'm in the streets. I'm in the street. Day 2 of searching for restocks. I gotta go to Walgreens. Walgreens next. Definitely didn't check Walgreens the other day. Just went to Walmart restock. It's 9:06. Wasn't nothing in there. All right. Walgreens. Cruise to Walgreens. Ooh, self-care products. Okay. Nothing I want. might be over here. It might be over here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, only these. That's a nice Sonic collection. Nope. Walgreens a bus. Oh, they do got this game. Look at that, it's so cute. We made it to another Dollar General. You know it's 3 minutes away from the last Dollar General, but I ain't get to go in that Dollar General, so I'm checking this one. Let's go. Alrighty. Now, we looking. We gotta find. We gotta find. The baby's not gonna be happy. There's nothing for the baby. That's so bad. See if they got another font.
That might be the best Dollar General response I've ever seen.
Nope.
Converging onto the...
Have a good day. Dollar General had nada. So, the thing would be, go 4 blocks and check another Dollar General. That's literally the Dollar General way. Every 4 blocks, every 4 blocks in this little town, we got a Dollar General just popping up every 6 weeks. And everything costs more than $1. So that is false advertisement, Dollar General. False advertisement. Get that. All right, they had no Pokemon left. I didn't make it to the new Ascender's Dream, but we did get one piece for the cheap. So I say it's a good pickup. I talked to my cashiers and my buggy pushers. One of the buggy pushers, he got some Ascended Heroes. I ain't getting not one. They ain't had no more. They just had the 3-pack busters. I wasn't really pressed for that anyway. Not really looking forward to this set. So I grabbed one piece. I'm about to check GameStop, since GameStop and Walmart is in the same parking lot. I'm gonna check that out, see what they got. Shouldn't be spending this money, but my wife let me come outside. You never know what's gonna happen. All right, GameStop had nothing at all. That was a waste. So we get to add these to the chase. Just these. GameStop did me dirty just now. I just knew it was gonna be something crazy in GameStop. Next stop, gonna hit to the office. See, put everything away. Count my spoils of war. Stop, Dollar General. Number 4. To really have 6 Dollar Generals all in like a 20 block span is crazy. Like, ain't nobody ever need that many snacks. Alright, so boom. Hello. Alright. Never. It's like they never get the bugs. Another day, another no. Nope. Another day, another no. This is why I hate stores that I can't live in. I need to live in the stores so I can really be on it. I need My man, Red Bear say, I run the restocks. I need to run the restocks. I need all the restocks. I'm not paying more than $5 a pack. It's highway robbery if you're paying more than $5 a pack. Those are my rules. You gotta respect your rules. Don't go too crazy on the cards. But if you find a good deal, grab the good deal. Gotta live with it. Gotta live with it. See, though? Gotta live with your choices. Don't be out here just making silly choices and spending your money just because you see it. No, you gotta wait. You gotta make sure you get the right deal. This is why I always say you can stack. Stack your bread, stack your product, have a big opening, the way so you feel good about it. Let's say 3 months of buying cars, don't open them and just open them after 3 months. Make yourself feel better that you was able to save. And you might realize that you need to just go ahead and start selling them and being at tables and going to conferences. You feel me? Hopefully your hobby turns into some cash for you one day. That's what I'm doing. All the hitters that I don't like, whatnot. Make sure y'all follow me on Whatnot. Yeah, I'm on Whatnot now. I'm out here selling cards. And it's kind of cool. Yeah. The last stop shall be ICG. Look at my little town. Look at my little town. I'm King Scalper in my town. I don't think most of these people can get cards. So I'm King Scalper. And I don't resell. Unless they're my hits. I don't resell packs. But I think the last stop of the day shall definitely be my local card shop, the ICG. You feel me? I'm gonna put the piece de resistance. Oh, don't go there before me. Got my pockets back. Oh, that's my store. ICG. Sometimes you gotta get to the snow, get through the snow to get to the cards. If you're gonna catch them all, you better at least try. Yeah. See what ICG got for me today. $5.88. No, don't. You're not grabbing nothing from me. This Charizard, man.
It's so sick.
Bro, I bought like 50 packs.
Yeah.
She pulled the gold one.
That's still good.
That ain't good.
It's still
I
good.
want this one.
Yeah.
She gonna pull the gold. That ain't what I wanted.
The gold one's more rare. Yes, yeah, the gold one is more rare.
Why doesn't it feel as good?
But it's worthless.
Yeah, it just don't feel as good as this one.
Yeah.
I bought the booster box. I'm so scared to open it because what if it's not in there? I'm gonna be mad. So.
I didn't grab for you guys over there though.
Yeah, I have.
We're good right now.
Oh, I have.
So what I'm doing is I'm saving up for another booster box.
Okay.
Bam.
There you go.
I done got on Whatnot. I'm having fun on there.
Dude, Whatnot is so bad for me.
Bro.
Not bad for you.
It is.
Bro, who?
Like, we're eternally up because of her. Yeah. But like, I could blow a grand and we'd still be up.
I did my first show yesterday. One dude came back like 6 times and bought everything. I said, all you have to do is call me, sir.
Yeah,
You
right?
just had to call me. I'd have gave them all to you for a deal.
Yeah.
All right. ICG pricing crazy. So ICG is just the go look spot. But yeah, if you're in my neck of the woods, check ICG. Tell them I sent you. They'll give you a great deal. I love my people over there. They get all the new stuff at least a week in advance. But they will tack on that little bit of tax. I ain't pay no taxes yet. I'm not ordering. What's that? Perfect order? I don't want perfect order. Ascendants, I don't want that. They look a little soft. I like my cards like I like my cards. Gangster. One Piece. Pokemon, they look like they're attacking somebody. Charizard. Like, you feel me? Just all the good ones. Not none of them soft cute Pokemon. Ain't nothing wrong with the cute one. It's just, I would think, if I was walking down a dark alley, what Pokemon would I want to have with me? I don't want to be walking down my a dark alley in Baltimore with a Clefairy. You feel me? Like, a Charizard is way more thugged out than a Dragonite. Dragonite is cool. It's for the daytime. Girls will be like, oh my God. But Charizard, don't play with me. I want my Charizard would be like the Charizard off of Ash Charizard. Straight a-hole. Okay, so after all that traveling, all that looking, we only found 2 packs. So we're gonna pack battle. Hopefully the blue Charizard is in this one. Yeah, we're gonna do this. It's been a long journey. It's -4 degrees outside. This coin is massive, ass piece. Okay? I heard the Charizards are in the Charizard packs. So, let's go. Pack battle for who cooking dinner. After all that, I'm going first. We have Seal, Oddish, Paint Tail, Geiger, Big Ol' Ant, Dawn, Crocker, Palm, Sweet Coon, Energy. Go ahead.
Cool. Do you stir the noodles for me?
Yeah, I'll stir the noodles. Seems like I'm cooking.
Penguin.
I didn't even lose yet.
Charmander. Da-da-da. Pink helmet.
Da-da-da.
Punk helmet. Snake. Dragon. Lily pad.
Yeah.
Robot. Mushroom.
Foul plume. Oh my goodness.
Basic energy. QR code. Guess I'm cooking dinner like I already was.
After a week of searching, this is what I came up with. All that driving. Wasted gas. Better luck next time. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you, people. Bye.